Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to take you on an amazing tour with the amazing Akaso Ek7000. Whether you're an adventurer looking for the best shots while skiing, or a scuba diver wanting to capture the depths of the sea, this camera has everything you need and more. Stay tuned to discover all its great features and how it can turn your moments into lasting memories. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date. The Akaso Ek7000 is a budget-friendly action camera that offers a range of features suitable for capturing outdoor adventures. Here's a comprehensive look at what this camera offers. Key features. 1. Video quality. The Ek7000 records in 4K at 25 frames per second FPS and 1080p at 60 frames per second. While it markets itself as a 4K camera, its 4K capabilities are somewhat limited, offering the best performance at 1080p/60 FPS for smoother footage. The lack of image stabilization in the Ek7000 can result in shaky footage, particularly during high-motion activities like biking on rough terrain. 2. Photo quality. It can capture 12MP still photos, but the image quality tends to be average, with some issues in sharpness and color accuracy. Low-light performance is also subpar, often resulting in noisy and less detailed images. 3. Battery life and accessories. The camera includes two 1050 mAh batteries, each providing approximately 1 hour and 40 minutes of recording time. This dual battery setup allows for extended use without significant downtime. It comes with a variety of mounting accessories, including helmet mounts, handlebar mounts, and a waterproof housing. This versatility makes it suitable for various activities such as surfing, biking, and diving. 4. Design and build. The Ek7000 is compact and lightweight, with a robust build when used with the included waterproof case. However, the camera itself lacks inherent water resistance and must be in its case to be waterproof. It features a 2-inch LCD display for easy framing and reviewing footage, and a simple interface that is user-friendly even for beginners. 5. Connectivity and remote control. The built-in Wi-Fi allows the camera to connect to the iSmart DV app, enabling remote control, previewing footage, and sharing content directly from your smartphone or tablet. It also includes a wrist remote control, which is particularly useful for starting and stopping recordings without needing to touch the camera, especially when it is mounted out of reach. 6. Accessories. The Ek7000 includes numerous accessories like a remote control, multiple mounts, and a dual battery charger. These additions enhance the camera's utility in various settings. 7. Image stabilization. The Ek7000 lacks advanced image stabilization, which can affect the quality of footage captured during high-motion activities like mountain biking. Users may need a gimbal for smoother video. 8. Audio quality. Audio recording is not its strong suit, particularly when the camera is enclosed in the waterproof housing, which muffles sound. An external microphone is recommended for better audio capture. User reviews. Users appreciate the Ek7000 for its value for money, especially when compared to more expensive brands like GoPro. It is praised for its decent video quality, included accessories, and overall versatility. However, battery life and the quality of mounts have been mentioned as areas needing improvement. In summary, the Akaso Ek7000 is a great entry-level action camera offering good video quality and a wide range of accessories at an affordable price. While it has some limitations, especially in image stabilization and audio recording, it remains a solid choice for casual users and those new to action cameras. Pros and cons. Pros. Affordable price point with decent video quality at 1080p/60 FPS. Comes with a comprehensive set of mounting accessories. Dual battery setup extends recording time. User-friendly interface and easy connectivity via Wi-Fi and remote control. Cons. Limited 4K video performance and no image stabilization. Average photo quality with poor low-light performance. Waterproof only with the included case, not on its own. does not include a memory card, which must be purchased separately. In summary, the Akaso EK7000 is a solid entry-level action camera that offers good value for its price. It's best suited for users who need a versatile camera for a variety of activities and are looking for an affordable option without needing the high-end features of more expensive models like GoPro.